Every year, the U.S. federal government has open enrollment to give people a chance to sign up for health care coverage. The open enrollment period for Medicare began on October 15th, and scammers are using this as an opportunity to try and steal information. News 19's Kelly Smith explains.
It's important to be wary of scammers no matter what season of life we are in, and that includes the open enrollment period for Medicare coverage. The BBB Scam Tracker has recorded a few types of Medicare enrollment scams, and Lindsay George with the Better Business Bureau of North Alabama is here to provide some insight. So Lindsay, there are a few different kinds of scams that have been recorded by the BBB Scam Tracker. The first one is scammers impersonating a government representative to help people navigate their Medicare or Affordable Care Act options. So can you explain what exactly is happening here in this scam?
Yes, so in this particular scam, scammers are impersonating those representatives from the Medicare or any type of insurance agency, and they're saying that they can give you a better plan at a cheaper price. You can keep those same services that you currently have. However, in order to actually provide this service to you, they need your Medicare number. This is a scam. They should not be asking for this type of information over the phone, and you do not want to provide them that personal information, as this could lead you to become a victim of identity theft.
And another type of scam, or another report of a scam that the BBB has received, is frightening calls. What's happening in these instances?
Yeah, so these frightening calls are just a scammer's tactic to try to get you to provide the information immediately. Within these calls, they'll say that your Medicare enrollment has possibly been dropped, or unfortunately you didn't enroll in time, and they can help fix this situation. However, you do not want to provide that number to them. You want to guard your information as close as possible. I understand that they cannot help you and that you really need to contact the Medicare agency directly.
And there are tips to avoid being scammed. One of them is to be wary of unsolicited calls or messages. Why is that?
Right, so you may receive these calls out of the blue. I've received them personally. And with that, you understand that government agencies, they will not call you, email you, unless you ask for a call from them. You normally receive these type of informational pieces by mail from these government agencies in order to provide you more information about your Medicare benefits, as well as about upcoming enrollment.
And why should people avoid, those free promotions, deals, free healthcare screenings, and gifts?
First, you want to understand that first off, government agencies, they will not offer you sign-up gifts or incentives like these large gifts for these free health screenings in order for you to sign up for Medicare. It is free to sign up for Medicare. I understand there's no fee associated with it. Now, if a broker contacts you for this large, expensive gift for a free health screening or something like that, you want to make sure that you understand that a normal broker wouldn't do this. And in this situation is what we call cherry picking for those who may have more health issues, and this is against, the Medicare, their government agency.
All right. Well, thank you, Lindsay, for joining us to explain some of these instances of scams. And if you have any consumer questions or concerns, you can contact the Better Business Bureau Consumer Action Line, and that number is 256-850-0719.